आतां मेरेन बारांचे परवाने रिन्यू करूंक नाशिल्ल्याचे परवाने कायमचे बंद जावं येता म्हण अबकारी खात्यान म्हायती दिल्या आनी अश्यो केशी चडश्यो फोंड्या म्हालांत आसा म्हण म्हायती अबकारी खात्याचे कमिशनर अमित शतिजा हांणी दिल्या. आर्डेक्सको खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Honda 272 licenses followed by Salset, Bardez and Perna. So in Salset 207 and Bardez 160 and Perna 128 licenses.
Sir, there are new licenses are coming from that area, or
New licenses are being issued in all the talukas. The only area where the licenses are not being issued are the areas which are barred from the Honorable Supreme Court. This is for all the violations, not just illegal sale of liquor. So there are cases booked for illegal sale of liquor, illegal transportation of liquor, extra working hour, non-display of licenses, then non-maintenance of accounts, then sale of consumption for liquor for consumption by retailers. So there have been roughly 197 cases booked between April to January, April 2017 to January 2018. Recent data we have not updated so far. And the highest number was in Bardez, 44 cases, and Salset, 44 cases. Then Pernem and Kantala, around 20 odd cases. We have collected more than around 25 lakh rupees as fine.